the case between Odobroni, Priscilla Ofori, and Akosua Sawa all too soon has come to a close. Some people are giving reports that Charlie said the court said Odobroni is only the rightful one when listen to what I'm about to say. Judge Her Ladyship Dorinda Atta Smith today 74 pages of verdicts was brought to the public of the people of Ghana. Yes, we all know that somewhere October, early October, Akosua Sawa sent Odobroni to court. Let me say that they shouldn't allow her to be a widow because she is not the wife of Dady Lumba. Now listen, the verdict said 1991, Akosua Sawa and Dady Lumba got married. It was customary marriage. That is the marriage between two families, the traditional, should I say the traditional marriage. And in courts, the court allows or accept traditional marriage or customary marriage. Ordinance, the one I would call it the white wedding, and then the Muhammadan, that is the Muslims' marriage. And he said in 1991, Dady Lumba and Odobroni got married. That is the customary one. And also in 2010, Odobroni and Dady Lumba got married. That one too is customary marriage. And one thing about this customary marriage is that, you know, our tradition allows polygamy. So when you do the customary marriage, you can marry more than one. It's the same as the Muhammadan. That one you can marry more than 3 or 4. So Odobroni, when they got married, they went to Germany and do what we call the ordinance. In Germany, they call it civil. They did it. But Odobroni, Akosua Sawa was not able to prove the certificate that shows that they did a white wedding, but rather brought what extract. Those of you who don't know extract. Extract is like attestation. A certificate and attestation. You know, sometimes we need a certificate, not a what? Attestation. Attestation shows that yes, you have gone through and then you have done maybe a bachelor in this and bachelor of that, so and so, blah, 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 blah. But it may not state on it your class and everything. So that is what the extract also, yes, also, as the extract also, yes, they did a white wedding. But where is the certificate? So point 1, that white wedding issue, that can, what do you call it, cancel Odobroni's as a wife was nullified. So the extract wasn't accepted. The certificate was not accepted. Or she did not bring a marriage certificate. She brought extract from Germany. And the court said no, they needed a certificate. So that is it. So point 1. Now both of them customary marriage. The busia, the home one, the traditional one, that one to allow more than one spouse. That is it. So let's just a wife, because you know we don't believe in polyandry marriage, or a woman married more than one husband. But what? Polygamy. A man marry more than one wife. So the issue of Akosua Sawa claiming as the wife, the original wife, was nullified. The court said yes. 1991, you got married and went to Germany. You said you did a white wedding or whatever, civil wedding, but your certificate you were not able to prove. The same as 2010, Odobroni to Priscilla Ofori 2 got Dady Lumba, and then they got married. So both of them are customary marriage spouse. So what it means is that now they see them as two wives. Two wives. Two wives. And then the how do you call it? Witnesses. Odobroni witness. They said he or the witness is the truthful among all of them. Truthful among all of them. What it means is that whatever he said was on point. Pam, 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 pam. And one issue that the judge said, if Odobroni had come even 2011, you see that no, Akosua had come from Germany, she will see that Odobroni is a wife, legally married wife, but she didn't come. And also among the verdicts, we saw that they say somewhere 2018 or something, Akosua started a process of divorce. But in they call Nana Safo is like should I say a traditional marriage counselor in Menchia. He knows their mambre, Asante mambre. So he came there and he came to educate them. He said in customary marriage, the traditional marriage, one person cannot, or the two people, the man and the they cannot divorce unless the two parties, the two families, they have come together. So even the people saying that even she started a process of what divorce or something, to Akosua is no more a wife. She is a recognized wife, a legal wife, customary wife. So you see, so I don't see the head and tail. People are saying that Odobroni, and the court said it's Odobroni who is the only legal wife. No, it is neither here nor there. Even some of the big how do you call it, socialites or media personalities are giving wrong information, and it is not true. It is not true. Odobroni is not the only legal wife. Odobroni has Priscilla Ofori and then Akosua Sewa, both of them. So it said, yes, Dady Lumba is gone, but he left two wives. And also they said what? Akosua Sewa giving birth 3 kids to Dady Lumba. The court said, yes, it is true. They saw it in their papers and then everything was on point. And Odobroni too gave birth to 6 children. 6 of them. But he says something that for the widowhood right, it is not a right that they say what because I'm married to this one, I can be the widow or something of that sort. So I must perform the widowhood right. It says it is not a right. Even it is the family member who determine. Maybe you have done something to the husband or something of that sort. It is the abusuapanyi, the family head, who sit down and decide. So as to who is going to be a widow or whatever, that one, it is left for the abusuapanyi to decide. To decide who is going to be the widow that Dady Lumba left. But Dady Lumba left behind 2 wives. 2 wives. 2 wives. So that is it. But everything went on smoothly. Everything went on smoothly. And people are saying that, yes, Odobroni has done this, nobody. And one thing that people are blaming Akosua is that you left in the marriage for so many years. You didn't fight for your rights when the man was alive. That was a mistake you did. But I am stating categorically that Dady Lumba left 2 wives. They don't only see Odobroni as a wife, but they see 2 of them. The court said 2 of them are wives that Dady Lumba left behind. So people, please stop misleading, stop misquoting, stop putting sand into people's gari. Give. Were you not at the court? Were you not there? 74 pages. You can go and ask for it. No, me, before I do my thing, I want facts. So that is it. That is it. That is it. So, so now those of you who were sympathizing for Akosha Sewa and then Odobroni or whatever, everything has come to a close. Now the thing is, Dady Lumba left behind 2 wives. You're watching this video, you share, you subscribe. Until then, goodbye.